Hi, my name is Naj and welcome to Peace Bridge. Recently, we've seen some viral videos from South Africa circulating on social media showing xenophobic activities disguised as activism, where other African nationals are seen harassed, humiliated, beaten by South Africans and told to go back to fix their countries. But the scene that caught our attention as Ghanaians is where one of our own was seen surrounded by about 15 South Africans, questioned, disgraced, and rejected. Not for wrongdoing, but for simply being present. And while some South Africans may call this activism, let us be honest. Xenophobia, no matter how it is dressed, remains a dangerous illusion. Now, if Africa is not home to Africans, then where is home? When did dignity become negotiable? When did African identity require permission? Well, as Ghanaians, a moment like this should call for reflection, not just reaction. We have been conditioned to think that greatness lives abroad and that success wears a foreign accent. But look closely and you'll see that every developed nation you admire today was built by its citizens who chose to stay and shape it brick by brick and generation by generation. If we all live in search of greener pastures, then who stays to water the soil we abandon? My brothers and sisters, this is not a call to blind patriotism. It is a call to conscious responsibility. Let us begin to see Ghana not as a place to escape from, but as a project to build, a mission to fulfill. Yes, the road is not easy. Opportunities may seem limited and systems may frustrate us. But nations are not built in comfort. They are built in sacrifice, resilience, and vision. So let's invest our skills here. Let's create businesses here. Let's innovate, teach, mentor, and uplift one another here. Because the dignity of a people is not found in how far they travel, but in what they build where they stand. We acknowledge and appreciate the swift concern shown by our Foreign Affairs Ministry and the Presidency. Your response reaffirmed a simple but powerful truth, that every Ghanaian life anywhere in the world matters. And for that, we are grateful. But more must be done. We have to create a Ghana where staying is attractive, where opportunity is real, and where the youth can dream without looking outward. Because when citizens feel valued at home, they do not scatter, they stand. In the end, this is not just about one incident. It is about identity. It is about dignity, and it is about the future we choose. Let's not be a people constantly searching for greener pastures elsewhere while our own land waits, rich but unattended. Come home. Let's build Ghana now. Because if we fail to do so, humiliations like this will always be our portion in someone else's land. Thank you. Have a good day and see you next time.